Hey folks, before we get started, I gotta tell you, with Prime Day, we've got some 30% off deals site-wide. You have to use the promo code right here, and you're gonna be getting a great deal. So with that being said, 30% off store-wide aosu VIP. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. This is a floodlight security camera. I've temporarily mounted it on this board, and if you watch, it is actually, it will track me and my movement. Amy's on the inside and she can control it. She can turn on the alarm. She can have it set to pet detect or park guard. She can have advanced AI options, so many different options there. Each one controllable to various degrees. You can have it notify you if a person comes. It can set off an alarm. It's got an alarm feature that goes boo, boo, boo. Two-way interaction and so much more fun stuff. So I got to tell you, one of the great features here, and you can see it moving around. And mind you, this is temporarily mounted. So these wires back here, if this was in the wall, I'd just run them into the wall. It comes with all the mounting apparatus you need and a really bright, in fact, I can't see from looking at it, a really bright floodlight, and that makes a world of difference. So you can see the camera right here is tracking me and it's moving with me, and that's nice. This uses AI to determine, if there's a person, if there's a pet, if there's a car, if there's an intrusion, all sorts of stuff. The AI detection on these is absolutely through the roof. Now, this ties into your Google Home. It's an app in your Apple or Google store that you can just get. It's really fantastic. And this will pan, tilt, essentially zoom, PTZ, so you're getting coverage. Now you put this way up in the corner and you get a God''S view of the entire area. This is ultra safe and secure, and they've gone all out with a high quality camera here. This is some of the highest resolution camera that you're gonna get in a security camera. I also have to point out that it's super easy to install. Okay, so when I say easy to install, I'm talking about you just turn on the app, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and it's done. That's it. There's a little button right here you press to reset it. Very straightforward. In fact, it's right there. So you can control the floodlight by motion or in the app. It also has that two-way talk with a big speaker back here and a microphone. Amy and I just had a conversation from afar, just practicing, messing with it, learning about it. Hey Amy, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Pretty good. I guess I won't break into your house because you have this super dope camera.
Camera is pretty awesome. I've never seen tracking quite like this.
Pretty cool. And that comes in real handy. I go on vacation a lot, right? We had some people working on the roof while I was gone. And I saw them on my deck and they were net fishing all my fish. And I said, get off my deck and do my roof, It was nice. They were just on their break, but I didn't want my roofers fishing in my pond. They should be doing my roofing. So it's nice that I could keep an eye and know exactly what's going on. I think that makes a world of difference. Having a security camera is the best way to stay safe, and that's important to me. So folks, these are a little bit aimable here. Get the area that you want light. It's got dual antennas up top, and like I said, this is a high-speed, impressive device that's going to improve your quality of life from top to bottom. Now stick around for the up-close portion of the video. I'm sure I can't even begin to cover all of the fine details that this thing provides, so we'll try to put as many on screen as we can. It's a great brand, a premier brand, and that's something I want to impart with you. A lot of those inferior brands will come up with an app, and then in 6 months you get an app update, and it doesn't work on your phone anymore. These guys are dedicated to long-lasting, high-quality devices. They've got PIR detection all the way around, and again, this has some of the most advanced AI that you can find. It's going to be able to track people. It's going to be able to keep an eye, like we have cats. I can keep an eye on my cats, and this thing is fantastic. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you the best of the best. Go ahead and get it so you can forget the rest. Now stick around for our up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, we have a great HD camera. It's a 3K Ultra HD security floodlight camera, yeah. So you've got the whole floodlight apparatus as well as that camera that's going to essentially pan, tilt, and zoom PTZ. It works with your Google Home, of course, and it has no MONTHLYFEE from a premier brand that we're all excited about. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a video about this product. Now, inside the box, you've already unboxed it, but I just want to give you a feel for what's inside. Got the dual antennas, and ooh, this is packed in there nice and good. Peel that back so you can see accordingly. And yeah, what a fantastic device. Now, if you're looking for something with really high quality imagery, this is the device for you. Something that you can see all around. Now, the fact that this will rotate all the way around, up, down, left, right, you're going to be able to get a God''S view on the world, and that is the key to overall security. Now, with security cameras like this, it really can't be beat. You've got the 3K Ultra HD security floodlight. Here's the quick start guide. Fantastic. Boom, shake the room. Now, within the box is the floodlight camera, the Type-C cable, the mounting apparatus, the plates, the mounting base, etc. The installation hook. Oh, that's nice. They give you a little hook to hold it while you're installing it. 3 wire nuts, the base screws, etc. Security, and even a screwdriver and power adapter. And I mean, what you need is the security driver, USB adapter, and the drill. There's your connection for the app itself. You have the antenna, the floodlight, the PIR motion sensor, so you can be able to detect like people. That's cool. Lens, microphone, power port, the micro SD slot, the status LED, the infrared, and of course the speaker. Yeah, it's got a powerful speaker built right in to where you can talk to someone, and that's going to be the best thing. You spot someone on your floodlight, you don't want to go outside and talk to them. You could be on the other side of the world with Wi-Fi. You could be sitting in Colombia telling them to get off my porch in Florida. I just went to Colombia and I live in Florida. Card capacity is 8 to 128 gigabytes. Class 10 level for read-write requirements. It's the FAT32 file format. And to reset, you just hold for 3 seconds. That's going to be important if you ever need to reset it. So it's aosu, that's the app. And preparing Floodlight Cam Pro installation. Easy peasy. We're going to temporarily mount this guy for the demonstration. But yeah, it does come with all the panels and plates and wires and things that you need. Of course, easy, straightforward instructions. And let me show you this up close, because this is our up close portion of the video. For people who want to know even more, those big LEDs aren't using nearly as much wattage as the incandescent lights, and they're not going to burn out as quickly either. PIR sensors, the big speaker, the microphone built in, and that beautiful lens, that glassed over lens that's going to give you a great picture. You got your positive, your negative, and your ground right there. So this is going to install easy peasy to the degree of lemon squeezy. I'm a big fan of a great company, and I think you will be too. It's a Floodlight Cam Pro by some of the greatest technology experts on the planet. All right, folks, my last 2 cents on this, I got to show you. Look at this. Look at the quality they put into this. They just went above and beyond, and I love it when a company cares about their brand. They even give you that install hook. They give you all the stuff you need to make this work correctly, and that matters to me, and I think it should matter to you. So folks, check out that D1 Classic kit and that Floodlight solar camera. Big deals, great website, great company. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, my friends.